Don't do it yet. Don't even do it. Try to fix it. Stop. Don't even.
That's funny.
Now. I think you can cut the grass of that thing.
Cutting the grass for you, Terry.
Put it on the driveway.
Every little bit helps.
Don't even do it.
Okay.
Alex!
Get out of the way! Wait for me to get out of the way.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh,
Don't
man.
chop in the trees.
You don't know how to work this.
All right, Trayden, get it. Put it back on the driveway.
Don't even
Alex.
wait for me. Don't. Don't even make me touch that thing again. Okay, I'm going inside.
No, you come back out here. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Stop! Stop, I gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Don't do it.
Okay.
Gotta fix it. Don't leave it! Stop! Stop! Put it down!
Okay, I'm not touching it.
He is going to attack you.
Watching you.
Okay.
Stop!
Ooh, that look. Don't break it, baby.
I'm trying to fix it.
What's broken?
I think this keeps it in it.
You know what caused that, don't you?
Yeah.
You?
The way you laid it on its side in the car.
Oh.
Okay, it works. Don't even!
Whoa! Oh!